Taking cold showers has become a popular trend in recent years. It can be beneficial to both physical and mental health, and it can even help you save money on your energy bill. In this video we will discuss the benefits of taking cold showers for 30 days and how you can make the most of it. So hit that like button if you are a hot shower taker. We will also discuss the potential side effects of taking cold showers, as well as tips on how to make them more enjoyable. By the end of this video, you should have a better understanding of why taking cold showers is beneficial and how to make the most out of it. What are the benefits of taking cold showers and how to prepare for a 30-day challenge? Taking cold showers is an increasingly popular practice that can have a range of benefits for both physical and mental health. It can help to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, boost immunity, and even help with weight loss. Additionally, it has been shown to improve mood and reduce stress. Taking regular cold showers can be a great way to get these benefits in a short amount of time. A 30-day cold shower challenge is a great way to start reaping the rewards of taking regular cold showers. The challenge involves taking 1 or 2 cold showers per day for 30 days in order to build up the body's tolerance and reap the full range of benefits associated with taking cold showers. Preparing for the challenge involves setting realistic goals and expectations, as well as finding ways to make the experience more enjoyable. With proper preparation and dedication, anyone can take part in this beneficial 30-day challenge. What to expect day 1 to 10, physical and mental benefits of cold showers. Cold showers are not only a great way to start your day, but they can also provide you with physical and mental benefits. Taking cold showers for 10 days can help you become more resilient and energized, as well as improve your mood and reduce stress levels. In this article, we will look at the physical and mental benefits of taking cold showers for 10 days. We will look at how they can help you stay energized throughout the day, how they can help reduce stress levels, and how they can boost your mood. Physical benefits of cold showers for 10 days. The physical benefits of taking cold showers for 10 days include increased circulation, increased energy levels, and improved mood. The following are some of the ways that a cold shower will increase your circulation. Increased blood flow to the brain from the stimulation and stimulus of temperature change in the body. Stimulating blood flow to muscles, especially during exercise and when at rest. What is going to happen after doing it for 11 to 20 days and tips on making the most out of your cold shower challenge. Taking a cold shower can be an uncomfortable experience, but it has many health benefits. If you're taking the cold shower challenge, here are some tips to help you make the most out of your cold showers. From day 11 to 20, focus on breathing exercises and self-reflection while in the shower. This will help you to stay focused and more relaxed during your challenge. Additionally, try to increase the length of your cold showers over time, as this will help you to acclimatize and make it easier for you to complete the challenge. Finally, remember that even if it's uncomfortable at first, with practice and dedication you can reap the rewards of taking a cold shower. And finally, what will happen to you after day 21 to 30 and the long-term effects after completing the 30-day challenge. Completing the 30-day challenge is an incredible accomplishment and can have long-term effects on your health, well-being and overall lifestyle. After completing the challenge, you may find that you have more energy, improved focus and a greater sense of satisfaction with yourself. You may also find that you are better able to manage stress in your life, as well as being able to make healthier decisions when it comes to food choices. Additionally, by doing this challenge for 30 days straight, you will have built up a habit of exercising regularly and eating healthy, which can be sustained for years to come. Conclusion: so why taking a cold shower challenge will change your life? Taking a cold shower challenge can be a life-changing experience. It can help you become more resilient, focused and productive in your daily life. It can also boost your energy levels and give you the motivation to take on new challenges. Cold showers are known to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, increase immunity, and even reduce stress. With all these benefits, it is no wonder why taking a cold shower challenge has become so popular in recent years. Taking this challenge will not only help you feel better physically but mentally as well. So if you're looking for a way to improve your life and make positive changes, then taking the cold shower challenge is definitely worth considering.